Iran's Navy intercepts U.S. aircraft carrier in Sea of Oman. The intelligence systems mounted on drones of the Iranian Navy, including drones operating over regional waters, successfully intercepted the USS Eisenhower aircraft carrier group in the Gulf of Aden and the Sea of Oman. The interception was made possible through exchange of information between the Navy and naval forces of the Islamic Revolution Guard Corps, IRGC, in the strategic Strait of Hormuz. Iranian officials have said that the U.S. military presence in the region, including that of the USS Eisenhower, not only fails to enhance regional security, but also creates tension and insecurity, the region. Iran has always said that regional countries are capable of ensuring security without foreign intervention. Tehran has repeatedly assured other countries that its military might poses no threat to them, insisting that its defense doctrine is entirely based on deterrence. In recent years, Iran's Navy has increased its presence in international waters to protect naval routes and provide security for merchant vessels and tankers. In line with international efforts against piracy, the Iranian Navy has been conducting patrols in the Gulf of Aden and the Indian Ocean, safeguarding merchant containers and oil ships owned or leased by Iran or other countries. The naval forces have, in recent years, managed to thwart several pirate attacks on both Iranian and foreign oil tankers and trade vessels. The Iranian naval forces succeeded in escorting more than 10,000 commercial ships to ensure their safe passage during the 8 years of the Sacred Defense, 1980-88. And over the past years, the forces have thwarted hundreds of pirate attacks. Iran's Navy has, in recent years, achieved self-sufficiency in manufacturing surface and subsurface vessels. Iran's military officials say the country's naval forces are fully prepared to conduct operations at any point in oceans across the globe. In late July, Rear Admiral Irani stressed the significance of naval diplomacy, as well as conducting joint military exercises with the navies of Russia and China. He stated that his forces were committed to achieving an effective and successful presence in the international arena and raising the Iranian flag. The Islamic Republic's military doctrine holds that the country's armed capability solely serves defensive purposes. Iranian military experts and technicians have in recent years made substantial headway in manufacturing a broad range of indigenous equipment, making the armed forces self-sufficient in the weaponry sphere. Iranian officials have repeatedly stressed that the country will not hesitate to boost its military capabilities, including its missile and drone power, which are entirely meant for defense, and that Iran's defense capabilities will never be subject to negotiation.